Hi everyone, and welcome back to Millionaire Lessons. Your 20s can be incredibly confusing. You finally start earning a real income, but then you realize no one ever taught you what to actually do with that money. It's the biggest financial blind spot we have. So, today, I'm sharing the 10 simple, non-negotiable money rules you should follow in your 20s. These are the same foundational rules that most wealthy people learned early on. If you want to stop feeling stressed about money, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Rule 1. Know where your money is going. You can't control money you don't track. Every single dollar should have a job. Forget complicated spreadsheets. Just use a simple framework like the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for essential needs like rent, groceries, and minimum debt payments. 30% for wants, such as fun, dining out, and hobbies. And 20% for savings and debt payoff above the minimum. Your phone notes or a basic app is enough. The goal is simple: stop money from controlling you. Rule 2. Build a starter emergency fund. Life happens. Car repairs, medical bills, a sudden job loss. Start with a $1,000 emergency fund. That's your first major milestone. After that, you grow it to cover 3 to 6 months of your expenses. This one step alone protects you from debt, stress, and panic when an unexpected bill arrives. Rule 3. Don't chase a lifestyle you can't afford. In your 20s, the fastest way to stay broke is trying to look rich. New phones every year, designer outfits, nights out every single week. They drain your financial future. This decade is about building wealth, not showing wealth. Focus on the substance. Your future self will absolutely thank you for passing on that flashy status symbol today. Rule 4. Build your credit the smart way. Your credit score is your financial passport. It decides your ability to rent an apartment, buy a car, or get a cheap interest rate on a mortgage one day. Keep it simple with these 3 steps. Always pay your bills on time. Keep your credit usage below 30%, ideally below 10%. And don't apply for too many cards at once. Good credit saves you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Rule 5. Start investing, even with $50. You don't need to be rich to invest. You just need to start early. Invest in simple, low-cost options like index funds, ETFs, or a simple retirement account like a Roth IRA. Small, consistent amounts grow massively thanks to the magic of compound interest. The earlier you start, the easier your future becomes. Rule 6. Avoid high-interest debt at all costs. Credit card debt is the biggest trap for people in their 20s. The interest grows faster than your income can. If you already have debt, pick a method and attack it. Pay off the smallest balance first, known as the snowball method, or pay the highest interest rate first, the avalanche method. Debt kills wealth. Paying it off builds wealth. Period. Rule 7. Learn to live below your means. Wealth doesn't come from how much you earn. It comes from how much you keep. This means cutting unnecessary subscriptions, cooking more at home, and buying what you need, not just what everyone on social media is buying. Living below your means doesn't make you cheap, it makes you free. Rule 8. Increase your income over time. You can only cut expenses so much, but your income? It can grow forever. Focus on building high-value skills, asking for raises, online freelancing, or finding a solid side hustle. Learn skills that companies actually pay for. More income equals more options and faster wealth building. Rule 9. Think long-term, not just today. Your 20s feel endless, but trust me, they go fast. Every smart decision you make now multiplies later in life. Saving, investing, learning skills, building your career. These things seem slow at first, but they are the quiet forces that set you up for the life you truly want. Rule 10. Remember, your 20s are for building, not impressing. You don't have to have everything figured out right now. You just need to start building the foundation. Money management is a skill, and it's one of the most important you will ever learn. Master these habits in your 20s, and you won't just survive your financial life, you'll dominate it. And there you have it, the 10 essential financial rules for your 20s. If you found this advice helpful, and you want to see more videos from me, Michael Jones, on how to build real, lasting wealth, please make sure to subscribe to Millionaire Lessons right now and give this video a thumbs up. We post new lessons every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.